Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF file to a Word file and also exclude images. I will convert this PDF file without these images. This image will not export. Click on this convert option and here you will find this office option and click on this down arrow and here you will find this Word option. Select. Now click on the setting option and see this include images and uncheck here. Now we select OK and select your folder or you want to save. Now select save and see this. This PDF file now converted to Word file without images. And see this, there is no images here. See this and see this actual one. Yeah, this is. In this way you can export a PDF file to Word file without images. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.